My name is Sebastian. I'm a student in tropical plant and soil sciences, and I study the microbiomes of loʻi kalo. I study how they're temporally and spatially distributed and how they're affected by management. So today I'm seeking your support on behalf of 𝘗𝘰𝘭𝘰𝘤𝘚𝘀 to measure two prevalent diseases in kalo, that's Phytophthora and Pythium. So this is Phytophthora 𝘗𝘰𝘭𝘰𝘤𝘀. It's a single species that causes taro leaf blight. In the 90s, a Phytophthora epidemic swept through the Pacific. In American Samoa, annual production fell from 786,000 pounds to 11,000 pounds. In Western Samoa, exports fell from $35 million to $60,000. And in Guam, upwards of 60% of cultivated varieties were lost. And that's in less than a 5-year period. Phytophthora is pretty devastating, and during that time, actually, Hawaii was spared. So although hybrids have been bred that are resistant to Phytophthora, and there are resistant kupuna varieties, many kupuna varieties are susceptible. This is suspected to be soft rot caused by Pythium. There are a number of species in that genera of Pythium, Pythium is not nearly as devastating as Phytophthora. However, it's likely to be more widespread. Losses can range from 10 to 100% of the harvestable corn here. So it bogs down processing, it can spoil value-added products, and it slows down the harvest time. So I'm seeking financial support to come up with a method or to develop a molecular technique to quantify Phytophthora and Pythium in soil. This technique would use a technology called quantitative PCR. qPCR allows us to quantify specific genes by using primers that bind specifically to a gene and amplifies it. And so if we can use primers to quantify genes specific to Phytophthora and Pythium, we can effectively quantify those pathogens in the soil. So far, we've sampled and extracted DNA from over 250 samples from loʻi. We also have qPCR machines, and we have workflows in place to scale up qPCR methods. So all we need is, with this award, we would purchase primers, and then we would optimize those primers so that we can use these methods for future testing. Testing could be implemented preventatively, like a routine soil test before a farmer plants, or responsively as a diagnostic tool for crop disorders. But ultimately, this could help 𝘗𝘰𝘭𝘰𝘐 make more informed management decisions, like extending the fallow period or switching up their varieties, and it could potentially prevent future outbreaks.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.